welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday and you know exactly what is happening on Saturdays on my channel. It's a review day. Today's balloon garland came from company named Creative Bless. I've never worked or heard about this company ever before, so it's going to be very interesting. This is the box that I received from Creative Bless. It's very cute pink color. Love it so much. I also received a personal card that they wrote to me. Thank you so much. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. So as you can see, we're going to be working with pinks, reds, and gold colors. It actually fits into Valentine's Day series very well. So I am excited to test the quality and see what this kit will look like. Everything I will be using in this video I will link and list in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly see what we have here in this kit. So this kit includes 124 pieces plus 10 free balloons. This kit can be purchased on Amazon for $16.99. So first, the bag over here, we have 12-inch balloons in 3 different colors, 18-inch balloons in 2 colors, 5-inch balloons right here in 3 different colors, and 12-inch balloons in gold and confetti balloons. Then we have our glue dots, fishing line, and balloon strip. And you guys, of course, hand pump instructions on how to construct this balloon garland. I am ready to blow all of my balloons and start constructing our balloon garland. Here's what I noticed about this kit. This kit did not include balloon tying tools, so I whipped out one of my own balloon tying tools I will be using to tie my balloons. We are working with balloon strip, and as you know, if you're working with a balloon strip, you need to blow your balloons individually and tie your balloons individually. Balloon tying tool will help protect your fingers, because if you're going to be tying a lot of balloons using your fingers, I guarantee you'll have blisters, unless there is another way how to tie balloons using your fingers and you can avoid blisters. I don't know, I didn't have that luck. Blow your balloon individually, tie your balloons individually. I will be using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. If you would decide to purchase a balloon pump for yourself from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, then you're welcome to use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. So let's go. As soon as you're done blowing your balloon, press your balloon against the floor to give your balloon more rounder shape. Quickly show you how I blow my confetti balloons and what I do with my confetti. So blow your balloon up. Okay, where are you? Blow your balloon. Now I am rubbing my hands against my balloon all over to create static inside of my balloon. You can use paper towel or a towel to rub on your balloon, but I would be careful with that because paper towel and towel can kind of scratch and leave these white translucent marks on your balloon. And here you have one beautiful confetti balloon. You guys, don't rub your balloons against your hair. It's kind of disgusting. All the balloons are treated with something. Me rubbing just 5 balloons. This is my 6th one. I feel like I want to wash my hands 20 times to get everything off of my hands. So don't use your clothing or your hair. Please don't. To construct our balloon garland, as you can see here, we have a bigger hole, little opening, and smaller holes. So we're starting to insert our balloon into a bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through. Slide it through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. That's all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. If you see your balloons are starting to like pop out of your strip, that means you need to skip a hole or 2. It depends. Just keep an eye on your strip, keep an eye on your balloons, and you'll decide what you need to do. You don't have to twist your balloon strip to insert balloons. You can insert everything on one side. I don't see any difference if you insert on one side or, you know, alternate sides. Balloons will fall into places where they need to go themselves. I will be working with one color at a time. I am not mixing any of the colors. I will be leaving my gold balloons, confetti balloons, out of the strip, and I won't be inserting any 5-inch balloons into my strip as well. On this balloon garland kit from Creative Bliss. I enjoyed working with this kit. Quality of balloons were great. Quantity of balloons for $16.99. I am impressed. I loved working with these balloons because they were nice and soft. They were easy to work with. I didn't have enough glue dots to fill in spaces just because I left more balloons than I usually leave to fill in spaces. The more balloons you leave, the more glue dots you would need. I lost 3 balloons. Not bad from the quantity of balloons that we have here. I would say that I would recommend purchasing this balloon garland kit Look at this. It's beautiful and it's only $16.99. I feel like it's a really good deal. I will link this kit in the description under the video. I will also link my main frame, my frame, this one, and my uplighting as well. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is my review of this Creative Blessed Balloon Garland kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to answer them all. If you're new here, you guys don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!